If you're experiencing issues with Call of Duty multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance activities. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help resolve temporary glitches or connectivity issues that may be affecting your multiplayer experience. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Step 4. Verify internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Test your connection speed and consider restarting your router if you notice any issues. A strong and stable connection is crucial for online gaming. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your settings to ensure that Call of Duty is allowed through your firewall and antivirus. If necessary, add it to the exceptions list. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and improve your Call of Duty multiplayer experience. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.